If you listen in the background, that's the call of a streak-chested antpitter. It's a gorgeous little bird with long legs that follows army ant swarms. Let's see if we can call one in. Beautiful, we got one. Just slow down. Awesome, look at this little bird. This is great. Oh yes, streak-chested antpitter. What a beautiful little bird. It looks like a tennis ball with legs, hopping around the undergrowth. Now the name antpitter is a little bit misleading, because although they do follow army ant swarms, they're feeding mainly on the insects that are disturbed by the army ants. And what this antpitter is doing right now, flicking its wings continuously as it feeds, is it's turning over leaves and leaf litter, looking for insects under those leaves. This is a bird which is quite common in this area, but it's very seldom seen. It's more often heard than seen, and you can see why. They're very cryptically camouflaged. They spend a lot of their time in this thick, dense understory of primary rainforest.